videotaping you beating yourself with a hairbrush. Ow.
I don't like you.
Yes, you do.
Your meanie face. You should put your videos on Facebook. Well, not this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this
The
on
other
there.
videos you have on there.
I didn't even... I have other videos on here?
Yeah.
I do.
Like 2 or maybe 3.
Oh, that's cool.
I lost my chapstick. I don't know where I put it. That's kind of the same thing I lost it and I don't know where I put it. I lost my chapstick and I don't know where I put it.
Ridiculous.
Tom.
Mountain Dew bottle. Good thing you're on cake because you can't sing.
What if I could sing?
Then you wouldn't be pretty.
What if, what if I was both? Like, what if I was famous and I just proved you all wrong?
What if
one
you were
day?
Taylor Swift?
And I was like, yeah, she's pretty and she can sing and she can write. See, what if that was me? I'd prove you all wrong and I'd be
yeah,
really
but
rich
we
and
wouldn't have
famous
started
one day.
saying that if it was you.
It might be. Maybe someday I'll go through a change and
Well,
get a nice voice.
Maybe whoever gives you a record deal is crazy.
Maybe.
Maybe you'll go through a change.
Yeah, like a puberty thing.
I hope
Like
you already
when-
hit that a long time ago.
I think so. You know how boys' voices change when they hit puberty? Well, maybe it's like that, except it's not puberty. It's like a second
So if
puberty.
your voice gets deeper on the one.
Shut up. I was thinking that. I don't know. Shut up. You're meanie. You're not sorry. I have a lot of hair in my hairbrush. Well, that would make sense, wouldn't it?
I definitely thought you said I bought a lot of hair in my hairbrush.
I bought a lot of hair. Ew, that'd be disgusting.
I bought hair to put in my
Seriously,
hairbrush
look
to
at
make it
it.
look like I use it.
I mean, it makes sense to have hair in your hairbrush, but it's like coming out like a monster.
Come on.
A monster. I'm a monster. I was gonna say I'm a monster, and I don't know. I said I'm a monster.
Come on.
I'm a monster. You know, when my hair is curly, I can like stick a brush in my hair and it'll just sit there, kind of like that, except like that.
I did that to Erica's hair once. Like she oiled her hair and then put it up and went to school. And it looked really gross.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was disgusting. And then I was like brushing out her hair because it looked really bad. And then I just left it there and it stuck. And I was like, that's
Ew.
gross. It's not supposed to do that.
Mine does when it's curly, cause it's a monster.
But she literally put oil in her hair.
Like oil.
Like baby oil in her hair. And left it there and put her hair up.
Why?
She said that you're supposed to oil your hair every once in a while if you straighten it every day.
No.
I'm glad
They
that I've
say
been
that if you
taping
put,
for
like-
4 minutes.
I love this one. They say that if you put vegetable, like a little tiny bit of vegetable oil in your hair, like once every couple months, it keeps it shiny. Not baby oil though.
Yeah. Karen Newton, you know, Danielle Smith,
Yeah.
her grandmother,
Yeah.
washes her hair with vegetable oil.
Every day? Why?
I don't know. She says, it makes my hair oily, so I use it.
Why would you want oily hair? Ew!
It's just it makes it oily and shiny.
Ew!
Well, this is the person who can, you know, pray for 4 hours at a time. She goes to church from 8 in the morning until 8 at night.
Really?
Yeah, and then she sits in her room and prays for 4 hours.
4 hours?
Straight. She doesn't come out or anything.
Is she like a Muslim or
I
something?
don't know.
Are you sure she's not from like Afghanistan?
Afghan?
I was thinking it was Afghan for some reason. Then I realized that's just a blanket. No, really. Is she like an Iraqi or something? Like, does she wear one of those big things that only shows her eyes? She's not like a Muslim person?
No. I realized that was just a blanket.
That must have sounded really stupid.
You're
Really,
like...
that's just a blanket. I love you. My hair's really silky.
Usually. Because you don't wash it with olive oil every
Oh,
day.
I do. Mixed with baby oil.
That would be gross because it would like...
I want to try it
It
now.
wouldn't mix. It'd be like...
So you just put a little bit in your hand and then a little bit in your hand and rip it. Done.
I would be glad I just got that on tape.
Not like anybody's gonna see it.
I'm putting this on Facebook.
Good, you can tag me in it.
Fine!
Fine!
Yell at me. You know how Jared does that whole thing when like you're talking to him on AIM and he goes offline but you can still talk to him?
Yeah.
Well, I got mad at him for something and I was like, fine! And we like said fine back and forth. It took us like 5 minutes. And I was like, we're not talking. He's like, fine! I was like, fine! And then he did that and I was like, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. He's like, I know you are. I was like, I just died a little bit. Because he waited like 10 minutes to talk back to me.
He hated me this summer.
He hated you?
He told Carissa I could go to hell because nobody needs me, especially not him.
Why?
He didn't like me because of Austin. Him and Austin came on at the same time, and Jared doesn't like him. Yep. I believe it was a Tuesday when I caught your eye. I like the song too.
Looks like The Grudge. Should
What
probably
if I
fix
had
that.
bangs?
Jen has bangs now.
Like these kind of bangs, or like this
Like
kind of bangs?
side.
What if I got like this kind of bangs? Because I had these bangs once.
I'd probably have to smack you in the head. Did you straighten your hair this morning?
Kind of.
Because you didn't do a very good job.
I didn't want to do a very good job because I didn't want it really, really straight. When you said forever and always. I kind of like it in front of my face. Keeps me warm.
I could probably stop now. It's only been 8.5 minutes.
Only.
Okay, say bye.
Pointless. Toodles.